Hey everyone, welcome back to Red, White Bethune, an average American family. Today we are out in Tampa at Waterworks Park. We are at the Fall Food and Art Festival of Tampa Bay. So we decided to take the boys out. Molly's with me and Paul, spending the day with them. So we took Kevin, Eli, Ben, Daddy, and me, and we're gonna show you guys some good sights down here and some tasty, tasty food.
Yeah, watch! Ball, back, eat.
Hi.
Dad, you know I don't
Kevin, Kevin, sit. Kevin, sit. The dog's fascinated with the penguin. Kevin. That's a good job. Eli. Get on the slide. Come on.
I'm going to Daddy to
Make it?
So we had an awesome time at the Arts Festival. We got some mini donuts, which we still have some left over for road snacks, because we know how important road snacks are. But it was a little hot, a little toasty here in Florida. It is, how many degrees?
82.
82 degrees.
It's really humid.
Yeah, it's like, it's super, super flippin' hot outside, and there's not a whole lot of breeze, and there's a ton of people. When you're going to lunch with dog, or when you're going out with dogs, you have to be cautious of the heat and the temperature, and you want to make sure that they're not getting overheated, and that's kind of what was going on. So we hopped back in the car, and we're gonna go to, where are we going? Old Heights Bistro. I am not the best judge of picking food, so every time that I pick food, it's pretty terrible, and I picked this one out, so fingers crossed that it's not awful. And we really wanted to just kind of take you guys around the Waterworks Park down there and show you the art stuff. I bought a couple pieces of jewelry. I got this new ring here. It is Pyrite, my favorite jewelry maker, Shirley from Artwear, does a great job, and all of them are handcrafted pieces, so I always stop by wherever she is at. So my driver over here, he's excited.
I'm hungry and thirsty.
I know, he's hangry. He's hangry.
Not there yet. Not there yet. That thing's whiny.
Ben's whiny.
This is the
Eli's doing good. It is. It's really hot outside,
It
but
doesn't seem a lot hotter than 82, so I guess it's just the humidity so high. And it's, I don't know, 82 is not bad for Florida, but it's super humid.
yeah, I mean, we're ready to get into some older weather here, but as you can see, we got some old buildings around here. Tampa's got a lot of history, so
This would be considered, I guess, what?
Seminole Heights.
Seminole Heights, a little bit of West Tampa maybe. A lot of they actually revamped a lot of this over the last few years.
And it's really cool. There's a lot of good eateries over here.
And some of them, there's 2 or 3 of the top restaurants in the state in this little area, so it's pretty cool.
Yeah, and hopefully we're going to a good one today.
Yeah, we'll find out.
Bad mommy picking. Normally I pick terrible food, so I'm hoping for the best. We'll take you guys along for our lunch, show you our food, and yeah, see you in a bit.
Here in a minute.
So we went to go by that one place, and it was not in a savory
Sketchy.
destination.
Food was probably good, but a little sketchy for me.
Yeah, I mean the food's probably delicious, but we have both the kids with us, and the outdoor seating did not look very
It was
favorable.
open.
Yeah, it didn't look open, so we're gonna go with that.
Jim's record stays pretty true.
My record's terrible for picking out food and where to eat, so there's that. Now we're gonna try and go to Bodega, which is right down the street, about 5 minutes away, which is one that Kyle picked, but I hit the directions button on the GPS, so I'm gonna claim part of it. I mean, why not? Because my record already sucks anyway. How stoked are you? I mean, we love Spanish food, so.
I hate Spanish.
No, you don't.
You do not hate Spanish food.
Yes, I do.
No, he doesn't. He's lying. He's a kidder. Kidder!
You're a kidder.
Anyway, so we'll see how it goes. Kevin's back there somewhere amongst the minivan floor. So we shall see.
Yes. You missed it good. Watch Eli, he'll get it.
Go, Eli, go. There
You
we
almost
go.
got it up 10.
Eli, you have to hit that one.
All right, shoot one more.
Go,
All
Eli.
right, guys, let's eat.
Take a picture of the food. This
Now
food
we
looks
got-
so good.
The luncheon,
Lechon.
basically a roasted pork sandwich. Looks pretty good. Some fresh cut table fries.
Cubano.
Kids are getting Cuban, traditional Cuban. And I'm not sure what that is, but it looks pretty good.
The asado pollo.
Let's get some plantain.
And we got some Kevin.
Kevin Ray's just chilling.
What's up, Kevin?
What are you drinking?
Rosé. Hey.
We're drinking. Oh, what is it?
Yay, Kevin. Dogs need treats too.
We got some fries.
I know. We got fries left over. We got a guava thing.
What's that?
That's the rosé. Round 2.
This is a,
Hibiscus fresca.
yes, pretty good, pretty tasty.
I'm gonna miss Spanish food.
Yeah. Alright, really much food.
He did so good today.
He's got a beef line on his head.
Well, like everybody loves Kevin. Wherever we go, he's the most chill dog ever. Everyone.
Especially for a puppy.
Yeah, he's 8 months old this week, on the 5th, and he is the most chill puppy labradoodle I've ever met.
How was your sandwich?
Good.
Eli, how was your food? Is it good?
Daddy.
So we ended up after lunch at Bodega at the Officer Cotilla Dog Park here in Tampa. So come with us and we'll look at.
Alright, Kevin, come on. Kevin,
The doggy likes
Kevin.
Mommy, the doggy
Kevin.
likes me.
He's not a fan.
He's not a fan at all.
You're not gonna go through?
Right, Eli, go.
He's not about that craziness.
No, he's like not gonna go through it all. Go! Go! A treat? No? Good place? This is an awesome dog park. We have had a really cool day playing with the dogs and having fun at the art festival, and then lunch was delicious. The boys got to play shuffleboard. They were super excited about that, and now we're just wrapping up our day here, which has been pretty cool. So check it out. Kevin's like, oh, I was gonna sniff your butt, but you left.
No, it like went sideways behind me.
So how many of you guys have dogs? Are you on the road with dogs, for one? Do you live in an RV, travel with pets? Or do you have a bunch of dogs at your house? Comment below. Let us know if you do have dogs and what you do with them in your city. We're gonna be travelers pretty soon, so we'll keep showing you dog stuff and dog tips and all that fun jazz.